Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a note on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for the application to load. Once that is loaded, now what we will do is go to the top toolbar within Home, go to New Items, create a note. This will bring up a note on screen. Let's just say create a video. Go within the note and let's just say record the video, edit the video, export the video, upload the video, and then advertise the video. Command S to save. This note has now been saved within Notes. If we wish to navigate to all the created notes, how do we do that? Let's go to the top toolbar, go to View, then go to Notes, within Go To, and that takes us directly to the notes we have created. If we wish to go back, let's go within Email, and now we can use a shortcut, which is Command 5. That will take us directly to the notes. Command 1 takes us back to the email, or if we go to the bottom left corner of the screen where we have the options, option number 5 will take us directly to the notes. So we can go back to email. We can now quit Outlook. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.